Sebastian Griffin here with Demo Day 2023 for American Construction. I'm here with Jardy with Nucor Steel in Utah. Tell us about Nucor, Jardy.
Yeah, Nucor is a full-service steel company ranging from anywhere from steel products. I have a lot of downstream companies that make joists, decking, things like that. Pretty much anything you can think of in the steel industry, Nucor participates in. Largest steel producer in the Northern Hemisphere, also the largest recycler in the Western Hemisphere, Northern Hemisphere as well. So large scale, over 30,000 employees. We go from sea to shining sea. So
I love that, great phrase. So how'd this all start? How'd this come about?
Nucor Steel Utah.
Okay.
So Nucor, honestly, we've had like a long history. We started out as REO Speedwagon, and we kind of started to get into the nuclear stuff in the 1960s. Then we ended up getting into the steel industry. We started off making a lot of joists, and we decided to start building our own mini mills. So that kind of got us in there. We're kind of the little steel mill that could, honestly. We've always been known for doing things that people said that we couldn't. So in 1981, we came out to Utah, established kind of a presence in the West, and we've been there ever since. So now we have 3 steel mills, bar mills that make our rebar that you guys use a lot of. One in Seattle, one in Utah, and one in Arizona. So,
so the whole Northwest region, really, you guys have expanded out.
Yeah, tremendously. I mean, I think we have 300 or 400 different locations nationwide.
Wow.
I think there's 8 or 9 just in Utah alone. So, I mean, we're, like I said, anything in steel that you can think of, Nucor participates in. So
that's great. Well, seeing that you're over this whole deal, is there a favorite piece of rebar that you like? Is there something like that?
I think as far as American, a lot of 4 and 5 bar.
Okay.
You know, you can kind of see some of the rebar here that we use. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, I mean, American uses a lot of our small bar, and it's reinforcing bar is what it stands for. It just goes into a lot of different structures and things like that. Helps secure concrete, adds strength and things like that. So.
That's great. So I know American Construction, they're big on efficiency, safety, profitability. Yeah. How's that helped you and your company?
Yeah, I mean, obviously the safety kind of transcends throughout the entire industry, really. I mean, Nucor, as Chanel can point as well, Nucor is humongous on safety. Safety is everything to us. I mean, at the end of the day, this stuff doesn't really matter. The things that matter is our family, and I think American kind of shares those same values and things like that. So safety is critical, obviously profitability. If you're gonna establish any sort of footprint in the market, you have to be able to be profitable, and I think that Nucor participates in that, and as well we help our customers with that as well by keeping costs low and things like that. So it helps American go to market by us being profitable and things like that as well. So but overall, safety is the number one thing for Nucor.
Well, I appreciate it, Jardy. Jardy with Nucor Steel in Utah. Reach out to American Construction. We're here at Demo Day today, but reach out to get connected, and they've got great products for you. Thanks so much.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it.